Hi guys, I am going to music practice and I have little bit time uh, and I can visit any parks around me. It's about 15 minutes from my home. There are many parks and I really love this one. It's Anderson Park. And living in Florida can be sometimes a little bit scary because you just walk on this trail and hear some strange sounds and you realized that this is something on the tree and it's big bird. You cannot see it, I think, but it's really really scary sounds. And I wanna show you something. Look at this bird. Just staying on the tree. But sounds is from another one. I really don't see it. It's somewhere on this tree, but it's too high and I cannot show you. But just trust me, it's really scary. I think I catch it. I don't know what happened, but it's really nervous. What do you think what happens?